If your T-Mobile voicemail is playing prompts in Spanish and you want it back in English, don't worry, it's a quick fix. The easiest and fastest method is through the official T-Mobile app. Open the app, tap Account, then go to Voicemail, choose Settings, and select Language. From there, switch it to English. In most cases, the change applies instantly, though restarting your phone can help finalize the update. If you're using an iPhone, remember, you must make this change inside the T-Mobile app, not the built-in phone app. That's a common mistake that prevents the language from updating. If you prefer the traditional method, dial 86 from your T-Mobile phone, enter your voicemail PIN, press 4 for personal options, then press 1 for language settings, and follow the prompts. While this works, the app is usually faster and reduces menu errors. If the language doesn't switch, make sure your T-Mobile app is updated to the latest version and confirm you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Restarting your phone can also clear temporary glitches. Keep in mind this change affects voicemail system prompts and greetings, but not visual voicemail transcription language. If none of these steps work, contact T-Mobile support. They can adjust the language remotely, and always keep your voicemail pin secure to prevent unauthorized changes.